Good morning and welcome back to White Mountain Today here on White Mountain TV 16. Joining us right here is Melanie Wong from the Omni Mount Washington Resort. Melanie, how are you today?
Fantastic. How are you?
I'm great. So glad that you could come down and chat with us today. Beautiful drive this morning, I imagine.
Can't complain.
Yeah, can't complain. That's always one of the things when people come on, they're like, oh, we had a great drive coming in today. And it's a nice drive up to the Mount Washington Resort, too. So
Definitely.
Nice views and the foliage, of course, is kicking in pretty strong up there. So let's talk about what you do up there. So you're the recruitment manager.
Correct. Yep. And I recruit for not only the Omni Mount Washington Hotel, but also the Bretton ski area.
So that's great. So if somebody wants a job up there, it's kind of a one-stop shop for them. Makes it more convenient for somebody who's looking for a job. Makes it more convenient for you because you can kind of fill in those
Definitely.
positions. So right now you're looking for people, and so you've got some events that are going to come up to kind of recruit some people. So I like the first one. I like the name. So tell us about the Jobtoberfest.
Yes, so we are so excited about that. It's going to be our first Oktoberfest themed job fair. We really wanted to do something fun to help increase attendance and also show prospective employees how fun it is to work at Bretton Woods and make it a little less informal so candidates are a little more comfortable in the interview process. But there will be beer raffles, appetizers, some really fun things happening there. And then on kind of the job fair flow, candidates will be able to come in, apply right there on the spot if they haven't already. They'll be able to meet with some of the team, interview on the spot, and hopefully we'll be making job offers on the spot as well.
Well, that's great. And that's coming up. That's on October 5th. So that's next week.
Yes, next
from
Saturday.
10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So
Yep.
kind of early in the day, but a great opportunity to go up there and hang up there in the notch. And that's going to be held right there at the Bretton Woods Ski Area Lodge.
Yep,
so.
right at the base lodge.
So that'll be a lot of fun. And like you say, a great opportunity to find out about all the jobs that are available.
Definitely. We have quite a few positions available, both at the ski area and the hotel. The nice thing is that we have kind of sheets that have all of our positions listed on them. So if you don't want to kind of scroll through all our open positions on the website, you'll be able to see them right there in front of you.
That's great. That's great. And I imagine you probably work with people to kind of find the right job for them. Somebody might come in saying, oh, I think I want to do this, but maybe their skill set or whatever they might not be aware of some other opportunities for them.
Yeah, definitely. There's kind of a consultation component of the job fair where we are able to meet with them and really go over what they're looking for, what they're passionate about, and be able to match that up not only in the position that's the best fit for the hotel operations, but also where the candidate will succeed the most.
Well, that's great. Yeah, so it's just, they gives them a lot more options.
Definitely.
That's great. And then on Friday, October 25th from 4 to 7, you've got your applications and appetizers.
Yes.
Who came up with all these names? I love it. Applications and appetizers.
Yeah, so another really fun job fair where we're going to have some food, another kind of informal job fair to really just meet the team, see the property, learn about our opportunities, and that will be Saturday the 25th from 4 to 7, and that's going to be on a Friday night.
So that'll be a good one too, as we're moving towards, because ski season hopefully up there at Bretton Woods is going to be starting pretty soon after that. So
yes, very soon. It's right around the corner.
and then of course you've got one more, a traditional job fair, and that's happening Saturday, November 16th.
Yep. So then everyone who attends that job fair will be good to go by the time our season opens, which is traditionally Thanksgiving week.
Right. And that's what you're aiming for this year.
Yes.
And so I think the biggest thing is, like you say, there's a lot of opportunities for people. So it's not like they're just going and they can only apply for one job. There's really so many chances to find the right job for themselves.
Exactly. And especially in some of our bigger departments like Culinary or Food and Beverage or Housekeeping or the ski area, because candidates will kind of come in with a little bit of an idea of what they want to do, and we're able to sit them down and be like, listen, we have 14 kitchens actually, so what are you interested in cooking, what are you passionate about, and be able to match them up with the right department.
That's great. And of course, these positions, some are seasonal, some are year-round, so really some opportunities there.
Yes, and we do have both part-time and full-time available.
And what are some of the benefits of working there, besides being in the great location? And
Yeah, the views aren't too bad. But full-time year-round associates are eligible for health benefits, as well as PTO plans and retirement plans. But working at a corporate company really has a lot of fun benefits, not only travel perks, but also right at the property level. So all associates receive ski discounts and typically a free season pass to Bretton Woods. And the cool thing is that you also get passes for your dependents and spouse. But if you want to forego that or your family doesn't ski, you can actually get a buddy pass to give to someone outside of your immediate family or a friend or whoever your skiing buddy is. You get discounts at all of our Omni hotel and properties, including, I think we have about 60, 65 in the collection so far.
That's great.
So pretty much one in every major city, couple international, as well as spa discounts, which are probably my favorite. But then food and beverage, retail, you name it.
Oh, that's great. And you, I just see here too, you also have the Bretton Woods Culinary Academy open house.
Yes, so that'll be November 2nd, so the first Saturday of November, but we are looking for new students to join our class of 2023, believe it or not, but that will be for the class beginning next August. So we're looking for high school seniors to kind of come down, learn more about the academy. It's a 3-year apprenticeship program that you receive not only your associate's degree in culinary arts and pastry arts, but also over 6,000 hours of on-the-job training. And we recently were accredited by the New Hampshire DOL to be a registered apprenticeship. And I believe we're the first one in New Hampshire to do so for culinary.
That's terrific. And I've known some people who've gone through the culinary program up there.
Oh, that's great.
And really enjoyed it. So that's an exciting one. So that's November 2nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So if that's one of the things that you're interested in, what a great opportunity. Because the Mount Washington Resort is known for its food. That's one of the things that people know about. And so being able to get in the ground floor is a great opportunity for students. Well, that's great. And if somebody starts at the Omni, is there a chance for growth there?
Definitely. The perk to working at a corporate company like Omni is that they really encourage internal growth and promotions and kind of growing the garden. But we have a lot of examples of that right at the Mount Washington with our management level and our director level, where they actually started out at an hourly position at the property and kind of grew to supervisor, to management, to director. So a lot of internal promotion opportunity there.
Terrific. Wow. So how can what's the best way for people to find out some more information about all the job opportunities? I imagine on your website.
Yes, so right on our Omni career page or a Bretton Wood page, both of them have all of our job listings, and applicants will be able to go in, kind of view all of them, select what they're interested in, and then apply from there. That's
great. But of course, one of the great things is being able to do it face to face, and so that's why you've got these things, including Jobtoberfest, which is next Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So that'll be great. Well, Melanie, good luck with finding all the great people up there. That is one of the things, the service that you get up there, both Bretton Woods and the Mount Washington Hotel have been famous for years. So that's terrific. Any last things you want to throw out there, Melanie?
No, we just look forward to seeing everybody at the job fair.
That's great. And we'll find out more about that. I'm sure we'll keep up to date with you and all these great things happening up there. And we'll be back here in a minute on White Mountains Today.